So I'm at my university trying to get people to get me to write poems for them, and I only had one person approach me, and it was someone asking about a Bible study, which I declined, but I'm still waiting for people to approach, so I'll update people throughout the day. So I got my first customer. It was two guys, and I wrote them a poem about discouragement, and they gave me $5. And that was a really good experience, a good encounter there. So it's those little encounters that I do this for, the small things. And I'll talk to you guys later.